Today we're going to be upgrading the Tesla Model 3 with these sleek Halo Black carbon fiber, real carbon fiber side mirror caps. They look amazing. They're lightweight. Oh, and the best part, installation only takes like 3 minutes. These are crafted from TORAY T700 carbon fiber, which basically means they're super strong but weigh almost nothing. Just 96 grams, and that's lighter than my morning coffee. Stock mirrors, I mean, they're fine, but we can make them way cooler. Plus, the new ones have these aerodynamic vortex generators on the side to reduce drag, which is some dope science, guys. The installation of these is incredibly simple. We can use the included wet wipes to clean the mirrors. You can either wait for it to dry, or I'll just go ahead with a dry microfiber towel and wipe all that wetness off. Go ahead and peel off that adhesive tape backing. And now we're just gonna go ahead and install it. And we're just sliding it in. It is that simple, just sliding it on down. And the whole mirror is covered with some beautiful carbon fiber. This is beautiful, and now let's continue down because this is absolutely beautiful. Should we take a step back? Woo! Look at that, y'all. I am loving it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but this is so sick. I love this detail right here, and I really do love this detail right here. It's subtle on camera, but it looks so much bigger in person. Sheesh, that is good. That is good. If you're thinking about mods for your Tesla, I think this should be one of the first. It's one of the easiest, simplest, and it quickly makes your Tesla look way better. So if you want one of these, I'll have it in the description below with a discount code. So Halo Black and I will help you out, get these at a reduced price and get your Tesla looking nice and swanky for the roads.